data analytics and artificial intelligence play a very significant role in the digital transformation of any organization. We believe in a digitally evolving world. Any organization that leverages the use of data and AI for autonomous decision making will stand apart. And these organizations are what we term as intelligent enterprises. Let me tell how we have been transforming at Impelsys to convert an organization into becoming an intelligent enterprise. We do this by what we call as the analytics transformation. The analytics transformation phase is how we are consuming your insights for automated and effective decision making. How your decision making process gets streamlined and it is process driven, where you will be using your analytics for your descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. For an analytics transformation to be very effective, we need to have a very good data transformation. The data transformation is how we are using your data as an assets and able to monetize it. How we are able to consume the data and how we are making the data nimble, flexible, and be a single version of truth for your insights transformation to be effective. For both the analytics transformation and the data transformation to really be very effective, we also do an advisory phase where we go and look at the data strategy of an organization, look at the existing data scenarios, and then come up with the recommendations and approaches. It's more like a consulting phase that we do. And we believe that a combination of your analytics transformation and the data transformation and the advisory phase will definitely help in moving an organization into an intelligent enterprise.